I was quoted $1,000 for a clean out of my old house. And it's just so mind-boggling because my mail has been stopped. Because the clean out was literally them taking everything out and putting it on the curb. And now my trash is not being picked up. And they filled the trash receptacle with stuff from inside the house. When the agreement that I keep looking over in the text message clearly states that this person was getting a dump. Like, I really hate doing business with people in Detroit. Like, please, for 2025, leave me alone. It's nothing I can do for anyone in Detroit but tell y'all to go to hell or go to jail, because that's where y'all going, because y'all are scammers.